From Tora Bora to Kandahar, the US military deployed an arsenal unlike anything the world had seen. Over 20 years, billions in weapons technology. This is every weapon that changed the war in Afghanistan. M4 carbine. M4 carbine, the workhorse. 5.56mm rounds replaced the M16. Lightweight and reliable in desert dust. M16A4 rifle. M16A4, longer range precision. 20-inch barrel for open terrain accuracy. M249 SAW. M249 squad automatic weapon. Belt-fed, 850 rounds per minute of suppressive fire. M240 machine gun. M240, 7.62mm heavy firepower. 950 rounds per minute from vehicles and helicopters. M2 Browning .50 cal. Juice, the legendary .50 cal. In service since 1933, reaches 2,000 meters. 19 Malawian Quachars grenade launcher. 19 Malawian Quachars automatic grenade launcher. 40mm grenades at 350 rounds per minute. M203 grenade launcher. M203, underslung on rifles. 140mm grenade clears rooms instantly. M320 grenade launcher. M320 replaced the M203. Better accuracy, can detach from rifles. AT-4 anti-tank weapon. AT-4 disposable rocket. 84mm bunker buster, one shot and discard. Javelin missile system. Javelin, fire and forget. $80,000 per shot, 2,500 meter range. Tow missile. Tow missile, wire-guided heavy hitter. 4,000 meter range from vehicles. M67 frag grenade. M67 frag grenade. 5-second fuse, 15-meter kill radius. M84 flashbang. M84 stun grenade. 170 decibels, blinds and deafens for room clearing. M14 EBR. M14 enhanced battle rifle. 7.62mm for 500 to 800 meter mountain engagements. M110 SAS. M110 sniper system. Semi-auto 7.62mm. Quick follow-up shots to 800 meters. M107 Barrett. M107 Barrett .50 cal sniper. Penetrates cover. Eliminates targets beyond 1,800 meters. M24 sniper rifle. M24 bolt action. Remington 700 based. Consistent accuracy to 800 meters. M2010 ESR. M2010 enhanced sniper. .300 Win Mag. 1,200 meter effective range. M9 Beretta. M9 Beretta, standard sidearm. 9mm, 15 round magazines. M19 11.45 pistol. Classic M19 11.45. Special Ops preferred its superior stopping power. M500 shotgun. Morsberg 590 shotgun. Door breacher with buckshot for close quarters. M1014 combat shotgun. Benelli M1014 semi-auto. 8-round 12-gauge for Marines and Special Ops. 48 Malawian Quachars machine gun. 48 Malawian Quachars, lighter M240 variant. Special Operations sustained firepower. M134 minigun. M134 minigun. Helicopter mounted, 6,000 rounds per minute. GAU-19 Gatling. GAU 19.50 cal Gatling. 3 barrels shred vehicles from gunships. M777 howitzer. M777 155mm howitzer. Lightweight artillery, 24-kilometer range. M109 Paladin. M109 self-propelled howitzer. Mobile 155mm gun platform. M119 howitzer. M119 105mm light artillery. Airmobile, 11-kilometer range. M120 mortar. M120 120mm mortar. Battalion fire support, 7-kilometer range. M224 mortar. M224 60mm light mortar. Infantry carries it, 3.5-kilometer range. FIM-92 Stinger. Stinger missile. Man-portable air defense, heat-seeking to 4,800 meters. SMAW. SMAW rocket launcher. 83mm Marine Corps bunker buster. M72 Law. M72 light anti-tank weapon. Disposable 66mm rocket. Claymore mine, M18 Claymore. Directional mine sprays 700 steel balls. C4 explosive, C4 plastic explosive. Breaches walls, destroys caches, moldable power. Bangalore torpedo, Bangalore torpedo. Clears obstacles and minefields explosively. Carl Gustav 84mm multi-purpose recoilless rifle for special ops. Incendiary grenades. An M14 incendiary. Burns at 4,000 degrees, melts through engines. Myclick, mine clearing line charge. Launches explosives 100 meters to clear paths. M1 Abrams tank. M1 Abrams. 70 tons, 120mm cannon demolished Taliban strongpoints. M2 Bradley. M2 Bradley fighting vehicle. 25mm chain gun plus tow missiles. Stryker. Stryker wheeled vehicle. Perfect balance of speed and protection. MRAP. MRAP. Mine-resistant vehicle. V-shaped hull deflects IED blasts. Humvee. Humvee, the workhorse. Up armored variants throughout the war. MATV. MATV all-terrain. MRAP protection for Afghanistan's mountains. Buffalo MPV. Buffalo mine vehicle. 30-foot arm investigates IED safely. Cougar MRAP. Cougar MRAP family. Multiple configurations. Exceptional survivability. AH-64 Apache. AH-64 Apache. 30mm chain gun and Hellfire missiles rule the sky. AH-6 Little Bird. AH-6 Little Bird. Special Ops gunship, miniguns and rockets. U-60 Black Hawk. UH-60 Black Hawk. Air mobility backbone, thousands of missions. CH-47 Chinook. CH-47 Chinook. Heavy lift helicopter, carries everything to mountains. MH-6 Little Bird. MH-6 Transport. Special operators ride outside on benches. MH-60 Black Hawk. MH-60 Special Ops variant. Advanced radar, used for bin-laden raid. MH-47 Chinook. MH-47 Night Stalker. Special operations heavy lift with refueling. O-58 Kiowa. OH-58 Kiowa Warrior. Armed scout with mass-mounted sight. A-10 Warthog. A-10 Thunderbolt. GAU-8 cannon fires 3,900 rounds per minute. F-15E Strike Eagle. F-15E Strike Eagle. Precision strike, reaches any battlefield in minutes. Fighting Falcon. F-16 multi-role fighter. JDAMs and cannon fire, minimal collateral damage. F-18 Hornet. F-18 Hornet. Navy and Marines deliver precision from carriers. A-130 gunship. A-130 gunship. 105mm howitzer, 40mm cannon, 25mm Gatling gun. B-1B Lancer. B-1B Lancer. Supersonic bomber carries 84 JDAMs simultaneously. B-52 Stratofortress. B-52 from 40,000 feet. Precision bombs from Cold War veteran. B-2 Spirit. B-2 stealth bomber. Invisible to radar, opened the war. MQ-1 Predator. MQ-1 Predator drone. Reconnaissance and Hellfire strikes remotely. MQ-9 Reaper. MQ-9 Reaper. Bigger Predator with bombs and missiles. Smoke generators. Vehicle smoke systems. Provided concealment during ambushes. Spotlight systems. High-intensity searchlights. Illuminated targets for night engagements. Loudspeakers. PSYOP loudspeakers. Broadcasted surrender messages and warnings. Non-lethal weapons. Pepper spray. Batons. Restraints. Detain suspects without lethal force. Medical supplies. Tourniquets and Quicklot. Combat medic gear saved thousands of lives. Medevac equipment. Litter systems and medical helicopters. Golden Hour trauma care. Fuel systems. Forward refueling equipment. Kept the war machine running. Water purification. Roku water systems. Produced clean water at forward bases. 20 years, trillions of dollars, and an arsenal that redefined modern warfare. This was every weapon that shaped America's longest war.